We'll wait for 1 more minute and then we'll start the class.
सॉरी सर
Okay,
नेटवर्क
sir.
प्रॉब्लम था तो लेफ्ट हो गई.
It's okay. I think
I
it's
think it's
time we
time
should
we should
start the
start the.
and let others keep joining. So, Kem છો બધા? Hello?
Yes, sir.
કેમ છો બધા? Hello, hello, hello.
Good morning, sir.
Ah, good morning.
Yes, sir.
We are fine.
Okay.
We
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning to all those who are remaining to tell me the good morning. I am saying good morning to all of you. We'll start the class now. I think it's time. It's
Yes,
already
sir.
10:36.
लेट हो गई
So
because
Sir, your
आ
voice
गया था
is
ना
not
इसलिए.
coming clearly.
it's okay. Now, can you please turn off your mic? Now, let me speak, right? I'll speak. And all of you, please take out your textbook.
Okay, sir.
Page number 143.
Sir, page number.
Page number 143. 143. Roll number 7. Who is roll number 7? Azmat Fatima. Azmat Fatima.
Sir, your voice is not coming clearly.
Okay, now
Sir,
can you hear me?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll
Yes,
number
Yes.
sir.
7,
Good
Azmat
morning,
Fatima. Roll number 9,
yes,
roll
sir.
number 9, Sakina.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please read off from page number 143? How can we conserve water topic?
Yes. 14.7. How can we conserve water? Only a small fraction of water available on the earth is fit for use of plants, animals, and humans. Most of the water is in the oceans and it cannot be used directly. When the level of the groundwater decreased
Drastically.
drastically, this cannot be used anymore. The total amount of water on the earth remains the same, but the water available for use is very limited and is decreasing with our usage.
Okay, thank
The
you.
demand for water
Thanks,
is.
Sakina beta. Thank you. Okay. Last time, all of you, what we learned was about water cycle, transpiration, evaporation, condensation, formation of clouds, All these topics we learned last time in the last lecture, right? We also learned what happens if it rains very heavily, what happens if it does not rain at all. So if it rains very heavily, that situation is called flood situation. And if it does not rain, we call it as a drought-like situation or drought situation. Now, if we know that there is a little amount of water that we use that can be used, as we have a lot of water on our planet Earth, but only a fraction of it is available for usable. That is in the form of rain, or it's in lakes or in rivers that we use. Now, as population is increasing day by day, we are getting less amount of water, and there is a shortage of water, especially in metropolitan cities or in big cities like Bhavnagar, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Mumbai. In these cities, it is very difficult to get the groundwater. And river water is, as we know, it is not fit for our drinking and for use. We have to filter that water. Now, in this topic, we will learn how can we conserve water. So, the first thing we can conserve is stop usage, unnecessary usage of water. We should not waste water. This is the first step. In our daily life, we have to find out where we can conserve water. We can start from our end, and we should not be worried about others that how they are wasting. We can educate them, but first start from our end that how to conserve and save water. So ground level water gets decreasing if we continuously pump water out from the ground, and demand of water is increasing day by day. Now, I hope what I'm saying is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
roll number roll number 8.
Yes, sir.
Please read next paragraph, page 143.
The demand for water is increasing day by day. The number of people using water is increasing with rising population in many cities. Long queues for collection of water are a common city.
Side.
All, all 14.12. Also, more and more water is being used for producing food and by the industries. These factors are leading.
Good morning,
Okay.
sir.
Continue. Leading to shortage of water. Good morning. Rule number 8. Narjis, Banu.
Yes, sir.
Keep reading.
सर कहाँ से करूँ?
बेटा next page पर भी है ना, there is a part of the paragraph the next page also, page 144.
Shortage of water in many parts of the world means it is very important that water is used carefully. We should take care not to waste water.
Okay, thank you. Now industrial usage means
14.
the water is also used in factories. Now in factories there is a lot of water that is used, and we have to be very we are getting less and less amount of water. So we have to be very careful while using water. Next thing is how we can conserve water, how we can store water, which so that we can, in case of shortage of water, we can use that water also. Rule number 18.
Yes, sir.
Can you please read rainwater harvesting?
Yes, sir. 14.8 Rainwater harvesting. One way of increasing the availability of water is to collect rainwater and store it for later use. Collecting rainwater in this way is called rainwater harvesting. The basic idea behind rainwater harvesting is catch water where it falls. What happened to the rainwater that fall in places that are mostly covered with concrete roads and buildings? It flows into the drains is not it. From there, water goes to rivers or lakes, which could be far away. A lot of effort will then be required to get this water back into our homes, as the water did not seep into the ground. Here two teaching news of rainwater harvesting and discuss.
Okay, so there are two techniques that are discussed here. Thank you. Rainwater harvesting is actually harvesting. Harvesting means saving, or you can grow. How we can use the water, because if it rains heavily and all the water flows back into the river, and from river it goes back to the ocean, so it is of no use to us. How we can catch that water, or how we can hold that water, so that in future, after the rain stops or after the rainy season has passed, we can use the same water, so that groundwater can be conserved. Now, I want to all of you to look at this video, and then we will see what is rainwater harvesting. I'm going to share my screen with you.
Yes, sir.
Can you all see this my screen?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this video?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
basically, There are two methods by which we
Yes,
can
sir.
conserve and harvest water. First
Yes,
is
sir.
collect underground
Yes.
water tank, and second thing is you can directly allow it to fall on the ground and make a pit. Pit means khado, so that water gets collected inside it, and then from there it gets sieved into the earth, which again replenishes the groundwater, and it can be used in our bore wells and in wells. So these are the two different methods by which we can conserve water. Because we all know when it rains heavily, the water that flows on our rooftops is clean, and it is really clean. But once the rooftop is washed, we can allow the water to settle down, and that water can be used for washing, washing clothes, and in our toilets and other places. For in order to drink that water, you have to boil that water and then you can drink it. So I hope this brings an end to this chapter. I hope, is there any doubt in it?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
No,
Doubt.
sir.
Listen, all of you. What I am going to do is now I would like to share uh, some videos with you about chapter 13, Fun with Magnet. As far as the notes of chapter 14 is concerned, I will share the notes with you. You can write it in your notebook. But before we
Yes.
move forward, I would like you to watch the video about Fun with Magnets, the chapter number 13. The first topic that I would like to explain was lines of magnet or uses of magnet. These are the four topics that we are going to cover: lines of magnet, uses of magnet, making your own magnet, and how to take care of your magnet. So, shall we start now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chapter number 13, question number 7. I can see that there are doubts. I'll share that answer also with you. Don't worry about it. Right? So first, I want you to look at this, watch this video. Now, this video that we, can you all see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. We are going to talk about the lines of magnet, and that line of magnet, I think we did an activity uh, on page number 128. If you have textbook, can you
Okay.
please turn page number 128? It will show you what are the lines of magnet or poles of magnet.
Yes.
Now watch from here. All of you.
Sir, what's this? Or what is this?
There is a cardboard paper, and this the person he is that is the thing that is sprinkled on it is iron fillings. It's actually lokhando powder. Have you seen that iron fillings?
Yes.
અને સર એની ઉપર શું છે?
Yes, sir.
નીચે બેટા કાર્ડબોર્ડ છે અને એની ઉપર લોખંડનો પાવડર સ્પ્રે કર્યો છે એણે. ઠીક છે, લોખંડના નાના નાના ટુકડા એની ઉપર સ્પ્રે કર્યા છે, સ્પ્રેડ કર્યા છે, સોરી.
ટીચર સર જે હાથમાં છે મૂક્યું છે એ શું છે?
એ મેગ્નેટ છે બેટા.
ઓકે
Okay,
ઓકે
sir.
સર.
Okay, sir. सर वो जो
सॉरी
है
सर, गलती।
वो मैग्नेट है।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा है वीडियो का।
बेटा
वो
वीडियो पे आवाज की
नहीं।
जरूरत नहीं है, सिंपल
सर
म्यूजिक।
जिसके
नाउ कैन
ऊपर
यू सी
एम
द
एस लिखा है वो मैग्नेट है।
yes beta, that is the north pole and the other part is south pole, right?
Yes.
Now can you
सर
all see the design that is formed on tapping the cardboard?
यस।
Yes, sir.
That design is of magnetic lines, right? So earlier it was not like this, but afterwards again I'll show you the same video once again. You can see it. So the design that is formed is an example of magnetic field lines. If you will look at a magnet, you cannot see the magnetic field lines. In order to visualize it, in order to see it, we have to do this experiment so that we can see what are magnetic field lines. Now, the next topic that we are going to watch the video is for uses of magnet. We have already done these topics, but this is for better clarity that you can understand. I'm going to show another video about the uses of magnets. This is not the only uses of magnet. There are many other uses of magnet as well. But these are some examples.
What is this?
Roll number 25. Who is roll number 25?
मुमताज कटवानी।
Mumtaz.
Can I say, sir?
No. Roll number 18.
So can I?
Sana,
Yes.
can you answer this question? A freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in the dash direction.
So north, south.
Good. North south direction.
Sir,
Roll
can I
number,
roll number
roll
6?
number 50, roll number 53.
Sir, can I roll number 39?
No, roll number 53.
Sir, can I roll number 50?
I said no
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone. I said no to everyone. बेटा कोई बच्चे नहीं बोले. I'll say the roll number.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 53. Can you tell the answer, please?
Yes, sir.
Height
The answer
with
is used
Magnet loses their property when they are.
when they are used. Hit,
Okay. When they actually use magnet,
hit
will it
with a
lose its
hammer.
property?
Hit with our hammer. Hammer.
Okay. Hit with a hammer. Okay. Good. Roll number 9.
Sir,
Sorry,
Sir,
not roll
can
number
I?
9. Roll number
My
6.
turn is not come.
Roll number
Roll
6.
number 6.
Sir, your voice is not strong.
Yes, sir.
Can you answer
Direction.
this question? Direction. Very good.
Meridian compass is used to find the direction.
Okay. Good. Okay. So, have you seen this video, right?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we have one more video to I have one more video to show you about the how we can make our own magnet and taking care of our own magnet. So I'll share that video 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now this one
Okay,
is how
sir.
to
Okay, sir.
make your own magnet. How we can make our own magnet at home. Okay, listen to this word very carefully. The magnet is induced magnet. Now here, the material that is shown, it attracts spin. It does not mean that it has become a magnet. It has become a temporary magnet. It's not a permanent magnet. After some time, it will lose its magnetic property. So you cannot say that this is a permanent magnet. It's a temporary magnet because by doing the activity which we have seen, the magnetism, the property of magnetism was induced. It was induced into this material and it gets the property of temporary magnet. So I hope you have understood how to do this activity. Can you do it at home?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
you can try doing it at home, but remember that you have to rub it only in one direction, right? So I'll share the
Yes,
link
sir.
in the group about these videos. You can see it. But before we end for today's session, I would like you to watch one more video, how to take care of magnet. I think we have done all these topics in class, but if you'll watch the video, those that would be a revision for you.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So everyone has seen the uses and uses of magnet. We saw how we can take care of magnet. We should not heat it, we should not hammer it, and we should not bring it close to fire. We also saw how we can make our own magnet, and we also saw the video about the lines of magnet. It is called magnetic field line. Don't worry, I'll share these videos with you in a group so that you can revise and you can watch this video if you are not able to watch this video now. Now, what I want today is, does anyone has any doubt in the previous chapter, chapter number 13 or 14?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
The
No,
only
sir.
No,
question
sir.
from
No
only
doubt.
question from your end is about the question number 7 from chapter number 13, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
I will
sir.
share, I'll share that answer with you today, and I will also share the notes about chapter number 14 so that
Okay.
you can write it down and complete your notes. And all those who have not completed their notes, please use the PDF and try to complete the notes. We can ask for checking
Okay, sir.
anytime.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So we'll give you some time to complete your notes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just give me a minute.
सर मेरी प्रेजेंट हो गई मुकद्दसा फतवानी रोल नंबर 16।
सर मेरी प्रेजेंट हो गई जुमानी सकीना रोल नंबर 19।
सर मेरी हो गई चारा एनर्जी रोल नंबर 8।
If you will ask like this, I cannot answer everyone, right? If you want to get yourself present, write your name and roll number. And those who have written, please do not repeat it.
Okay.
Bye, sir. Sir,
Okay, today we end this session a bit early today, so you can join the other class also. So all of
sir,
you in the next time, yes,
ओके
आज
सर बाय बाय।
लेट हुई थी ना, आज मैं 4 मिनट लेट हुई थी ना, तो मेरा नेम आ गया या नहीं?
beta, just write down your name and roll number in the comment box, and I'll put you mark you present, right? जिन लोगों ने पहले कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख रखे हैं अपने रोल नंबर, प्लीज डू नॉट रिपीट इट.
ओके सर बाय।
Okay,
No, sir. Bye, bye,
now
sir.
you can leave all of you. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Bye, sir. Have a nice
बाय
day.
सर हैव अ नाइस
Bye,
डे।
bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. खुदा हाफिज।
खुदा हाफिज.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir. खुदा हाफिज।